How to increase Milestone credit card limit. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can increase Milestone credit card limit. The first thing you want to do is ensure that you have a good payment history with Milestone and that you meet any specific requirements they might have for credit limit increase. Then you simply want to contact the customer service. For that, you can head over to the Milestone's official website and then click on the customer service option. You will have the number of the customer service over there. Simply dial that number. And while speaking to the customer service representative, express your interest in credit limit increase and ask for any specific steps or requirement. You want to provide all the details that they ask you. They might ask you details such as your current income and employment status, any recent improvements in your credit score or financial situation, your current credit utilization and payment history with Milestone. Then you want to follow the instructions given by the customer service representative to formally request a credit limit increase. Now, the Milestone team will review all of your details, and if there is a policy for the increase in Milestone credit card limit, then they will inform you accordingly. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.